And fans with us right here, boy, I tell you, what an honor to always have with us our world heavyweight champion, Ric Flair. Rick, hey, I got to ask you about Bob Geigel. Hey, my head's been spinning since I heard this from the NWA president about the strap match.
Well, it's no secret that Wahoo made the request. It's no secret it's been in Jim Crockett's office. It's no secret his lawyer's been in Kansas City with Bob Geigel. However, Bob Geigel refused the request, and as far as I'm concerned, Wahoo McDaniels right now is old news. You know and I know that this area is full of the top contenders in professional wrestling. I don't get to spend as much time here as I'd like, but when I come in this area, there's more men than just Wahoo McDaniels. Whether you like me or don't like me, this is mine, and I'm here to defend it against the Dusty Rhodes, the Koloffs, the Magnum TAs, the Manny Fernandez, the superstar Billy Grahams. There's a lot of people in this great sport deserve a shot at this. But what do you know?
Old news, huh? You got enough nerve to call me old news. You got enough nerve to say I'm a disgrace to wrestling. Well, let me tell you something. I've wrestled a lot of people you couldn't even stay in the ring with, Ric Flair. Sure, I asked for a strap match. You asked for a cage match. It was fine. And I don't do anything in the ring that you don't do.
You know, I'm going to tell you something. When I take the time out of my schedule to make an appearance on this show, it's my time. Now, I've been round and round with you. If you got a personal gripe with me, there's probably 10 million people watching us right now. Let's step in the ring and settle it right now, once and for all.
He's going to the ring, Wahoo. And Wahoo McDaniel has taken off his jacket. Ric Flair took off his jacket. The crowd is in an uproar here in the arena. They're taking off their watches and their rings. Ric Flair is making his way to the ring. Listen to the fans. And there you see him as he's down to the ring, climbing into the ring. The world champion takes his shirt off, still got his suit pants and his street shoes on. And here comes Wahoo McDaniel down, and Wahoo now is taking off his shirt.